Hello everybody, this is Hindsight here with LEGO Transformers Blackbird right here. And here he is next to his partner, Shadowwell. Now, Blackbird is in his, Cybertronian bird mode. Though it's very much low detailed. Only part that detailed is like these engine parts. Just from the grooves. Plus a bit of the armor bits, but that's it. But he's a triple changer. And unlike his brother in arms, basically, his alt modes are, the bird mode. He has a barricade mode and a robot mode. So to get him in barricade mode, it's quite easy. You just splay the wings out all the way down, just like that. And here you have him in his barricade mode. Yeah. Not much to it. But it does help out with seeing some hidden details that could have been useful on barricade mode. More so than bird mode. But yeah. Let's get it down into his transformation, shall we? So it's best to get him in bird mode because it's easier it's a small bit easier doing it this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the head of said bird and move it to where it's now the heel spur. Just like so. Next, you come here, detach these, but then angle these down because we're going to now detach these, as these are now going to compress down into becoming parts of his backpack, just like that. Well, these bits become parts of his eyes. Make sure everything is straightened out while we do so. And then Mosey, you on in. Keep you straightened. And here he is in his robot mode. And yeah. That's a robot mode, alright. yeah. Out of a low detailed bird. But it's not really the end of the world. Let me get his brother in arms ready. Alright. Here we have Shadowwell next to Blackbird. And yeah, these two look cool. Even though Blackbird might be a little bit shorter, maybe like one stud, he's a bit, yeah, he's quite a bit thicker, if you know what I mean. Backpack wise. And then, yeah. So this has been Hindsight signing out. And make sure you press like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to make sure you never miss an upload. And this has been Hindsight with Blackbird signing out.